All right, so we're gifted this portable power station from VEVOR, and this thing is a monster. The pictures don't do it justice online. When it arrived, we were super impressed. Very heavy unit, so it does take 2 people to carry it. They do give you these nice comfortable handles here. I thought everything. So you put your little grips on, front and back. So I mean, 1 person could carry it, but it's best with 2. It does have a nice roller function, so it does have some heavy duty wheels in the back, and on the front here you can roll it like a suitcase, so that does help if you're on even ground. Very cool little feature there to make it a lot easier. Pops right back in. Nice thing about this is, whether you're going to use it for home backup or out camping or wherever you're going to take it, it does have extra battery ports, so you can size up this unit. It's got one on this side and it's got one on this side, so you can expand with more batteries. Some very heavy duty inputs here as well, so that's nice. But the unit itself is a 3600 watt portable power station. The front of it has a ton of features on it as well. On the bottom here under the flap you have your inputs, so you can charge it off of 110 house voltage, or you can use an optional solar array like we have here. That is sold separately, so you can do either solar charging or regular charging, house charging. So they give you a nice little bag here for all your different cords that you're going to need, and a little instruction manual. Also gives you a really nice cover for the unit, so that if you leave it outside you can cover it up and it's not going to get wet. Here is the solar input. So you plug that into your solar panels, and it actually has an adapter as well to do a cigarette port in your car. So you can plug that in, do 12 volt charging to your car as well. Here you have your standard inverter, 120 volt outlets, and then you have a 30 amp RV style outlet right here too. So you could charge your RV, keep your RV running, or use it as a backup generator at the house. So that is awesome. Up here you can choose your input wattage. So if you have a lower watt power source and you don't want to trip the breaker, you can go 300, 600, 900, 1200, 1500 watts. So you can kind of control the power that comes into the unit. Down here you have a bunch of different USB ports. You have your standard USB, and then you have your C type, and again you have an on and off button for those here as well. So right here you have some other 12 volt DC outputs. You have your cigarette lighter style, and then you have your 2-prong plug here. These are 10 amp output. Another nice thing, it does have a light on it, so if you're on a campsite and you need a light, you have that here as well. So again, this unit is very heavy duty, and we'll go through all these inputs here. So now we're charging off of house power. So it tells me how many hours I can run that particular device at the wattage it's pulling, so that's very nice. So now we're back to not pulling anything, and the unit can sit stable for 99 plus hours. So depending on your load and depending on the output, it will tell you the percentage of use and how much longer you can run that particular load. So the hair dryer is about 1/3 of what this, probably half to 1/3 about what this thing can put out. So you can run fridges, you can charge phones, charge all kinds of things. It's divisible by 3600 watt hours, and how much the unit is drawing, that's how long this unit can run that particular device, or a combination thereof. Then you can turn on and off all the individual power banks. That turns on your inverter for the 110, and then you have all your 12 volts. These can turn on these, this turns on this bank, and this turns on and off the unit. All right, so whether you need backup for your RV, your house, or you just want to blow dry your hair while you're camping, bring all the modern amenities with you, this thing is pretty awesome, and it's a great price point, so I would definitely check it out. Again, if you need more power, they sell the expansion batteries as well, so I think you could, during a power outage, we're going to keep this handy and have this as our main go-to for our power outages. All in all, I think this is a super build quality, and I'm looking forward to using it.